Ah, humans. The species that likes to believe it single-handedly invented technology, as if tools magically appeared from our oversized, overcomplicated brains like Athena from the forehead of Zeus. But before we congratulate ourselves too much, let's take a step back. Because technology isn't just about fancy gadgets or remote controls with far too many buttons. It's anything external that extends our abilities, from sharpened stones to, well, smartphones. 2 million years ago, our ancestors, the charmingly named, which literally means handyman, were busily crafting stone tools. Now, don't imagine some elegant caveman engineer refining blueprints. Think more disgruntled chimp awkwardly smacking rocks together. But credit where it's due, they got the job done. Except small problem turns out even earlier apes were at it 3.3 million years ago. Yes, our species pride took a bit of a hit when we discovered that some pre-human slackers had been dabbling in tool-making long before us. Not only that, but they had an alarming habit of abandoning half-finished projects, proving that procrastination is, in fact, an ancient tradition. And before we get too smug, let's not forget our fellow animal innovators. Dolphins use sea sponges as protective gear while foraging, basically nature's oven mitts. Orangutans and gorillas prod riverbeds with sticks to check the depth before wading in, a remarkably practical approach given their distaste for unexpected swimming lessons. And then we have New Caledonian crows. These little geniuses fashion hooked twigs to extract grubs from trees with surgical precision. Honestly, at this point, it's surprising they haven't figured out online shopping. But while many species use tools, humans take it to unnecessary extremes. Our brains, excessively wrinkled, like an overused linen shirt, allow us to not only create tools, but to accumulate, refine, and pass them down through generations. This is both a gift and a curse, considering fidget spinners are now part of our technological legacy. In the end, what truly sets us apart isn't just opposable thumbs or an overworked prefrontal cortex. It's our obsessive need to document, share, and explain every last discovery, often in tedious detail. Books, arguably the most powerful tools of all, ensure that our ideas outlive us, even if, like so many TV remotes, they often end up lost behind metaphorical sofas. And that, dear viewer, is what it takes to be a maker.